go part 2.
Hi.
Charlie, can I do
Subscribe and like, because I'm awesome.
Okay, thank you. You're taking too long.
Don't watch that. I love my zoom in on my face.
Oh, it's nice.
Can I feel it?
No.
Just watch Elena. Hi.
Hi.
Okay. Hi.
Elena Unicorns. Didn't you have a YouTube?
No, I don't.
Oh, I thought you had a YouTube. Your Musically said something about YouTube, and I was like, huh? I didn't click it.
It
though.
did?
Yeah, you have like a YouTube thing in your Musically bio.
In my bio?
Yeah,
Like,
so like
You can hook your Snapchat and your Instagram and stuff up, and they click it, and it goes straight to your page. And you
Really?
had YouTube in there.
It did?
yeah, maybe it was like from a long time ago.
No, I never had a YouTube channel.
I have. It was bad. It was cringy.
This is my
Cringer McCringer thing.
Probably if I had one, it'd be
is it almost time?
When I used to make them when I was little, I still
I
watch
wanna
them now.
feel
Like, not on YouTube, but like on my videos on my
They're very
iPad. 'Cause
stretchy.
it's new, but on my
Mito?
brother's iPad.
Lana,
Instagram
Is
texted
go
you.
Lana.
People keep texting me on Instagram. I don't know why. Are you literally gonna read off every message I get?
Can I touch it?
So I hope you
Well,
don't get
just-
a text.
Can I touch it?
Oh,
Can I touch it?
Yeah, let me put in the glue and whatever it is.
Is it
This
stuck?
is a process of making slime.
yeah.
Make it, ruin it, make it, ruin it, and then make it, and then ruin it. And then it's done. And then we just give up on it and we have to
I just take 5 minutes when I do it.
I know.
Our process takes a while.
She likes experimenting.
I'm cleaning out the bowl.
That's
And guess what?
Hmm.
People tell me to stop eating because I eat too much. But I'm cleaning out the fridge so I don't get their problem. Do you understand my joke, Rylan?
No, I couldn't understand what you were saying.
I said people get mad at me because I eat, but I'm cleaning out the fridge. So, Charlie, why'd you put it on the floor?
Oh,
No, 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 no.
Is it good slime?
yes.
Oh, it is?
It's not sticking.
You're ruining our videos, cat. You yellow eyes. Look at his eyes are yellow.
Green, not yellow.
No,
they're yellow.
I want a cat that has one green eye and one blue eye.
That's
Those are so
My
pretty.
neighbor's dog is like that.
I've never seen that on a dog.
We need them.
Ah!
What? Your face is beautiful.
There's a bead in there. Get out of here.
Is that the foam thing?
Yeah.
Here, you can record her. Don't talk. I'm gonna go do this.